Imagine your worst workplace nightmare. It's not getting fired, it's that cold realization that you've made an irreversible mistake. Employee 4 is a 3D survival horror game that casts you as an ordinary employee. You wake up at your desk to a flashing red screen. Critical error. The only backup is locked inside the manager's office. Your mission is clear: retrieve the backup, fix the error, and survive. The office is no longer a safe space. Lights flicker, alarms blare, and the hallways are prowled by the manager, an entity that embodies the raw fear of authority. In this game, there is no combat, only stealth. Every move you make is shadowed by dynamic audio. As the music swells, death draws closer. You are the prey, and the manager does not accept apologies. Your only weapon is the mask. It is the beating heart of the gameplay. It reveals PIN codes and clues invisible to the naked eye, such as codes hidden on office equipment. It serves as your primary survival tool against the manager. While wearing it, your perception is distorted, and your field of vision is restricted. You must constantly balance the safety of the mask against the clarity of your surroundings. Your goal is to secure the USB, navigate through locked sectors, and race back to your workstation. The gameplay scales progressively from quiet espionage to a high-stakes, panic pursuit. In Employee 4, your greatest enemy isn't just the monster in the hallway, it's the pressure of the ticking clock.